Hi, my name is Sid. I'm the product manager for Glovius, and today I will give you a quick demonstration of our iPad app. You can get the app from the App Store by searching for Glovius, that's Glovius. Once you have the app installed on your iPad, you can launch it from here. It opens up in the graphics area, the view area available. You also have the gallery from where you can load your models, as well as a help section for on-device help. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go to gallery to load a model. We ship a handful of models in with the app, so you'll be able to download one. I'll just click on sample one to get going. Okay, so here it is, sample one is loaded. You can rotate the model with a single finger drag on the screen, and you can pinch to zoom in the model like this. So for example, you can pinch to zoom in, and you can pan the model using two finger drags. At any point, if you want to reset to the original screen, just double tap on the screen and you should be, the view will reset. Now, you can note here that if the JT model has PMI information in it, that also gets displayed in the view area. The whole PMI information is available here. Double tap to reset the model. We have some basic cross-sectioning available in the app as well, so you can select any of the standard cross-sectioning planes, the XY, YZ or XZ planes on the top. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate that to you. I'll select XY, maybe the YZ plane. Okay, now here you can see the section, the cross-sectioning plane in the app, and you can also see the section profile that we are displaying in the graphics area. Now, of course, you can move the section plane using the slider on the top right on of the screen. So you can select the slider and move it for dynamic cross-sectioning on the go. And once you stop the movement, the section profile is calculated again. So you can see a new section profile is shown on the in the view area. And if you want to just exit the cross-sectioning mode, just select none on top. We also have a simple accelerometer support in the application. So using the built-in accelerometer of the iPad, you can rotate the model automatically. So when I switch it on, you will see the model has started rotation, has started automatic rotation here. Now this of course depends upon the angle at which the iPad is tilted with the ground. So if it's tilted towards the left hand side, the rotation will be towards the left hand side of the model, and if it's tilted towards the right hand side, the rotation will be towards the right hand side of the model. So you can see like this or like this. And if the iPad is horizontal with the ground, there will be no rotation. I'll again switch it off. Now, the important question is how you can get your models inside the app. So there, I'll just demonstrate that to you. Now, there are two ways to get your models on the iPad, to visualize on the iPad Glovius app. One way is to connect with babel3d.com, so you can enter your login and your email and password information and log in from here to your Babel 3D account if you have one. And as you might be aware, Babel 3D is our online file translation service. So previously I had done a couple of JT file translations on Babel 3D and selected iPad as the output format. So you can see those are available here, and you can select any one of them to download them onto the iPad. So I've just gone ahead and selected bnc.jt here. So you can see this file is now available on the iPad, and you can select it to view it on the iPad app. Here it is. Again, single finger drag on the screen rotates the model, and pinch to zoom, and pan with two fingers, and you can reset by double tapping onto the screen. Again, the same cross-sectioning functionality and the accelerometer support is there. We also have help, like I mentioned before. It will give you a quick usage of how you can use the app. And the another mechanism to transfer models onto the iPad is via our desktop, Windows desktop application Glovius. So you can go to glovius.com, download the free desktop application from there, and export to the iPad, which is available in the menu there. Once you export it, you can connect, you can transfer the model to the iPad using iTunes. Once again, if you need any help or if you have any feedback, just drop us an email at ipad@glovius.com. Thanks for your time. Bye.